Jose, CEO of King Window Cleaning, and we just finished up cleaning 1,800 panels for our current client here. Now, whether you have 18, 180, or 1,800, give King Window Cleaning a call right here, 909-740-9994. Let us discuss the details further. Let us put together a plan that's going to help keep your investment running at its top shape. Do you realize that if you have dirty panels, you're losing anywhere from 35 to 45% of the sun's rays as they just bounce off dirty panels? We want to come in, we want to clean them regularly, and we want to make sure that we're capturing 100% of the sun's ray so your meter runs backwards, putting money into your pocket, not into Southern California Edison. So again, Jose with King Window Cleaning, give us a call and let us discuss the details further.